Duh.
Minecraft's grass block was the first block added and looked like this. The grass on top can be 16 different colours depending on the biome. It takes longer to mine a grass path than it takes to mine a grass block. Buttons can't be placed on grass path blocks, but signs can. Walking on TNT makes the same sound as walking on grass. Grass blocks can be used to fill up composters only in Bedrock Edition. Before tall grass was added, wheat seeds were obtained by using a hoe on a grass block. Grass blocks and cobblestone were added when Minecraft was just called Cave Game. Subscribe!
Duh.
Minecraft's dirt was the third block added and looked slightly different. There are approximately 1,850 dirt blocks per chunk in plains biomes. Coarse dirt turns back into normal dirt when tilled. Farmland turns into dirt if it is not within 4 blocks of water. Diamond, netherite and gold shovels all break dirt at the same speed. Grass will only spread to dirt if it's under a light level of at least 4. Some chunks can have around 3,000 dirt blocks. Subscribe here to find out more about every block.
Duh.
Minecraft's beacons were going to look like this, with the rotating cube inside. There are over 12 million combinations of beacon colours. Although beacons contain obsidian, they don't need a diamond pickaxe to be mined. The beam of a beacon can go through water and lava. Beacons break at the same speed no matter what tool is used. Coloured beacons were first shown in this image by Dinnerbone. The top of a beacon's beam looks like this. Beacons can go through bedrock. Beacons can't be pushed by pistons. A beacon's beam used to be solid. Beacon beams can also pass through other beacons. Subscribe!
एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का दबाकर लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूँ आपके लिए बेटा ऐसा नहीं चलेगा ऐसा नहीं चलेगा
Duh.
Minecraft's beds used to look like this and more items in the inventory. Slimes don't stop you sleeping at night. You can't take damage from lava while sleeping in a bed. In the Education Edition, bleach makes beds turn white. Players in creative mode can sleep if monsters are nearby. Crying obsidian was going to set the player's spawn point before beds, but wasn't added until 2020. Villagers can sleep in the nether without the bed exploding. Baby villagers jump on beds during the day. Beds help cure zombie villagers more quickly. Before coloured beds, there were 3,000 ways to craft beds. The Ender Dragon takes 4 beds to defeat. Subscribe!
Duh.
Minecraft's pistons started off as a mod and looked like this. In the mod, pistons could launch gravity blocks like sand way into the air. Jeb was given the mod's code and made pistons that looked like this. There used to be unobtainable 6-sided pistons, but now they look like this. 1.14's texture update changed pistons from this to this. Notch first wanted to add pulleys which had separate blocks for pushing and pulling. In 2009, Notch planned for spiked pistons but replaced them with sticky pistons. Subscribe right here for more Minecraft block facts.
Duh.
Minecraft's oak planks first looked like this when they were added in 2009 when there were only 4 other blocks. Cauldrons are the only way to place water in the nether without using any commands. TNT slabs were part of the 2013 April Fool's update and were called Etho slabs. Wheat destroys any gravity blocks that fall onto it, including anvils and dragon eggs. Sparklers can be made in the Education Edition with magnesium, a chloride and a stick. Subscribe for more about every block.
Duh.
Minecraft's enchanting tables used to look like this and were made with cobblestone. The enchanting table book will still point towards players who are invisible. Enchanting tables can't be destroyed with TNT. Enchantment tables in Bedrock Edition emit a light level of 12. The height of an enchanting table is exactly halfway between slabs and blocks. In Bedrock Edition, hoes can't be enchanted using an enchantment table. The Ender Dragon can still destroy enchanting tables. There used to be a glitch where all enchantments were feather falling. It's called an enchanting table in Java Edition, but enchantment table in Bedrock Edition. Subscribe!
Duh.
Minecraft's glowstone used to look like this and was crafted with 9 glowstone dust. Glowstone dust used to look a lot more yellow. The Education Edition says that glowstone is made out of argon, neon, krypton and boron. Glowstone can't drop more than 4 dust even with fortune. Before 1.8, mobs couldn't suffocate inside glowstone. Glowstone stops giving off light while being pushed by a piston. In Bedrock Edition, cleric villagers sell 1 glowstone dust for 4 emeralds. Glowstone makes a pling sound when placed under a note block. Glowstone always takes the same amount of time to mine. Subscribe!
Duh.
Minecraft Snow was added in 2010 and used to look like this. A player can jump up 1 block and 3 snow layers. Foxes can get stuck in the snow. Snowballs used to look like this. Snow could be placed on every solid block other than ice. Mobs can't spawn on blocks with 2 to 7 snow layers on top. 1 to 3 sea pickles can't melt snow, but 4 sea pickles can. Snow can be placed next to a cactus without breaking it. Iron, diamond, netherite and gold tools all break snow at the same speed. In Bedrock Edition, leaves with top snow have snow particles. Subscribe!
Duh.